Hello friends, welcome to Student Impulse. First of all, thanks for being in my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss job openings in Mysuru for various positions. These are all the latest job openings. There is a job opening at Star Knowledge Technology Alliance team. They have openings for IT recruiter and the experience required is fresher or 6 months. Salary is not disclosed. Qualifications graduation or post graduation with 60% marks. Skills required knowledge in Excel, HR, recruitment, sales, and marketing. Job description is this resource will help the organization in finding talents with respect to the job description that are provided. I have provided the website link and address details, phone number here. Next, there is a job opening for the same company for the data analyst role. This is for fresher and 6 months of experienced people. Salary is not disclosed. Qualifications graduation or post graduation with 60% marks. Skills required knowledge in Excel, HR, recruitment, sales, marketing. Job description is this does not involve any travel. This resource will help the organization in data collection. So no need to be travel to any other place. This will be a purely office based work. Next, there is a job opening for automation testing. Experience required 1 to 2 years. Salary is not disclosed. Qualifications graduation or post graduation with 60% marks. Skills required automation testing, Selenium, manual testing, SQL. Job description end to end testing of the product. Ability to write detailed test cases. Experience in mobile testing is an added advantage. Understanding of mobile app testing techniques. Experience in mobile automation experience will be an added advantage for the same company Star Knowledge Technology Alliance team. So you can find the official website link and address details here. Next, there is a job opening at Rai Estates and they have opening for sales executive. Experience required freshers or 1 year. Salary 12,000 to 30,000 per month. Qualifications required minimum bachelor's degree. Skills fluent in English, Kannada, and Hindi, and any other local languages. Interpersonal telecommunication and pursuing skills, bachelor's degree. Job description cold call customers, understand their requirements, and propose a project that suits them the best. Accompanying the customers for site visits, explaining the features of the products, and help them in decision making. Develop a network with customers and engage with various channel partners or brokers and promote sales. Responsible for 100% achievement of sales target assigned through a cold call, references, etc. I have provided the official website link, email ID, and phone numbers and address details here. Next, there is a job opening for Star Knowledge Technology Alliance team. Job role is graphic designer. Experience required minimum 6 months to 2 years. Salary not disclosed. Qualifications graduation or post graduation with 60% marks. Skills CorelDRAW, Photoshop, Illustrator, creativity, passion, and enthusiasm. Job description seeks out and is knowledgeable of best creative work, familiar with the technology required for the role, demonstrate a basic understanding of available platforms to express creative ideas, engages with digital or manual tools to deliver excellent designs and artwork. I have provided official website link, address details here. Next, there is a job opening for Infomage Elite Private Limited. They have opening for content writer. Experience required minimum 6 months to 2 years. Salary not disclosed. Qualifications graduation or post graduation with 60% marks. Skills required .NET and PHP. Job description outstanding knowledge of their respective coding platforms, efficient and neat at coding, extreme dexterity in managing the databases, willingness to pitch in the software development process without being sluggish at any point of time, ability to learn and adapt to newer but similar programming platforms. Next, there is a job opening for Thought Focus. They have opening for process analyst, business process management, experience not disclosed, salary also not disclosed. Qualifications, graduation or post graduation with 60% marks. Job description, the candidate will be responsible for the processing of all the information provided to them, convert them to usable data, and updating the systems with the information thus gathered. Focus on deadlines and perform self review of work. Next, there is a job opening for ESSI Integrated Technologies Private Limited. They have opening for network engineer. Experience required 0 to 2 years. Salary not disclosed. Qualifications not disclosed. Skills, experience in system security or network security or CCNA security. I have provided official website link, and to apply for a job, this is the link. You can see that resume.aspx. So if you go through this link, you can apply to the job directly, and there is a official email id as well, and address details also. That's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please like and share, and subscribe the channel for more updates. If you have any questions or queries, please ask in comments.